at 6135 Palomino Circle in Mote Ranch. This awesome new listing is just over 2,100 square feet. When you walk in, there's a formal dining room to the right with plantation shutters. You've also got a den with glass French doors, also plantation shutters, pretty much throughout the entire house. This house has seen a lot of renovation in the last few years. All new porcelain tile, wood plank flooring throughout the main living areas. This kitchen is a total renovation within the last 2 years. Gorgeous marble countertops, 42-inch upper cabinets. You do have an eating area in here, all KitchenAid stainless steel appliances. There's a laundry room over there which has cabinets that were recently put in there. The countertop is just really amazing though. I really want to point that out because it was a $25,000 upgrade. This homeowner picked out this Italian marble specifically for this project, along with that gorgeous glass tile in the backsplash. You do have a master bedroom over there to the right, master bedroom, master bath. You've also got the great room, living area here. Then the other 2 bedrooms and full bath are in the back of the house. This house is going to be listed at $625. It's coming on the market next week. It is in Mote Ranch. Mote Ranch is a fantastic community with no CDD fee, really low HOA. It's about $200 a quarter. With that, you get a community pool and a community boat dock. So give us a call if you're interested. I know this one is going to go quick.